What's up everybody, it's Alvin Reyes and I'm back for another video. So today, teka. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys watching my video again. So we'll be doing a food review about this fried chicken fest here in Winnipeg. So yung mga local restaurants kasi dito, they have this, I don't know if it's a competition. So this morning we went out and we grabbed 3 restaurants along the way na pwede namin puntahan. So there's actually, I think at the moment there's 20 restaurants na sumali. We're gonna try 3 of those entries. So yung una is Charlie's Restaurant and Lounge. So yung second one is Q Bistro. Yung third one is Q Grill. Yeah, so yung tatlong restaurants yung pinuntahan namin. And we're gonna try their entries, yung dishes nila for chicken. Alright, so first chicken we're gonna try is from Charlie's Restaurant and Lounge. Yan, mukhang masarap yung manok. Woohoo! So ganito siya sa picture. And here's how it looks sa totoo.
Oh God, it's so good.
Looks nice, eh?
So good and tasty.
Teka lang. Kailangan may rice eh.
A volcano is ready to opening.
Gutom kasi kami eh. Okay lang siya. Tatabangan ako. Para sa akin ah.
But it's yummy.
It's okay. Masarap siya. Sabi ni, masarap.
Yeah.
Siya, nagustuhan niya. Ako naman po. Okay. Try natin yung isa naman. Yung...
Bistro.
So we're gonna try the other one from Q Bistro. Spicy peanut chicken and yaki noodles. So here's how it looks.
Woohoo!
Mukhang masarap ano?
Oh God, it's so good.
Ang sarap.
Yeah. Sakto lang, maanghang.
Maanghang. Mahilig kasi ako sa maanghang. Kaya... Tapos crunchy. Try natin noodles.
So good and tasty.
Ito panalo. No? Ha?
Wasn't
Sarap nito. Kasi yung noodles meron siyang toge. Toge ba to? Kaya yung noodles crunchy, may ganun siyang effect. Sarap siya. Kakain muna ako. Lalagyan ko kanin. Sarap eh. yan, promise. Magkano nga yun? $16 yung isang serving. Noodles tsaka chicken. Good for 2 persons. Sarap siya. Medyo spicy. So kung mahilig ka sa spicy, ito ang chicken para sa'yo. Feeling ko apakapangit na review na to. Ano yung pangatlo? So yung pangatlo is from Q Grill. Ito yung maganda yung itsura. So they call this cheddar mac and fried chicken blah blah. Mukhang masarap. Now this sandwich kasi siya. Tapos ang nasa loob yung chicken and then mac and cheese on top. Ang hirap niya explain kasi halo-halo eh. Masarap siya, well, para sa merienda. Ang tigas ng tinapay. Hindi ko alam kung dahil malamig na siya kaya medyo matigas na yung tinapay, pero gusto niya din. Yung chicken nito crunchy. Tapos may kasama siyang pickled onion. Masarap ah. Masarap siya, mami. So, dapat imimix mo siya sa onion. Alright, so yung first naming ni-review is from Charlie's Restaurant and Lounge. So it's the fried rice and fried chicken, fried rice, and salted fish, salted egg.
Salted fish.
With ulit. Fried chicken with fried rice and salted egg. Tama? Salted fish.
Oh my God.
Hindi talaga ako pang review din. Okay, so yun yung una namin tinry. Sabi ko medyo matabang. Bland yung chicken. For me. Pero si wife, nagustuhan ni wife kasi sakto yung lasa. So first time participating tong restaurant na to sa competition na to sa Chicken Fest. And ano pa ba? And Filipino inspired yung dish pala. Masarap siya, okay lang. Average. Hindi, I mean, to be honest, hindi siya masyadong kakat kayo. Cut mo. Okay lang siya. Hindi siya, ano ba? Mamaya mademanda ako dito. Okay. Honest verdict, okay lang. And then, yung second one na tinry namin is from Q Bistro. So yung pangalan ng dish is spicy peanut chicken and yaki noodles. So ito yung nagustuhan ko kasi spicy yung chicken and gusto ko yung texture ng noodles, plus meron siyang mga bean sprouts. So crunchy yung noodles, so ang sarap niya. Ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko. So medyo bias ako sa review kasi pag ako gusto ko sa chicken spicy, parang buffalo wings yung dating. And this dish nakuha niya lahat. Gusto ko talaga yung spiciness niya, saktong-sakto. Tsaka ang sarap niya. Kanina dun sa video, mahirap kasi mag-review kasi gutom din kami, kain kami ng kain. So, pero ito yung pangalawa, ito yung nagustuhan ko. So, if I would rate this 9 out of 10. Actually 10 nga ako dito eh. This is presented by Chef Peter Truwong. So, thank you so much sa dish mo, ang sarap. So, yung third one is from Q Grill. And yung dish is they call cheddar mac and fried chicken hero. Chicken siya na sandwich, tapos may toppings ng mac and cheese and bacon. So on the side meron siyang pickled onion, and yun, masarap yun, pickled onion. Kasi mahilig ako sa onion eh. Si wife ayaw naman niya. Masarap yung mac and cheese. Yung chef na gumawa nito si Triet Nguyen. So if I would rate this, I'd say 8 out of 10. Saka malaki yung serving. Makita nyo naman dun sa B-roll. Siya talaga yung presentation, nag-outstand siya talaga. Okay, so shout out kay Erwin Cruz, yung best friend ko nung high school. Thank you so much for tuning in, and sa family mo. Kay Francis Gaza, na best friend ko ng college. Thanks for sharing yung mga videos. Kay Edison Calusin, Elena Reyes, Christian Reyes, Jana Fabricante, thank you. And thank you kay Era Cadence Cruz. And sa local vloggers here sa Winnipeg, si Chris and Trix, thank you for stopping by. Kay Barbara Pascual, kay Carl Dexter Reyes. Alright, so thank you so much sa inyong lahat na nag-subscribe and nag-tune in sa channel ko. I really appreciate that. It means the world to me. I'll see you on my next video. Alright, so please comment down below if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If I hit 100 subscribers, pagbibigay ako ng Tesla na kotse. Okay? Hindi, joke lang, syempre. Okay, bye-bye.